If you deleted the factory spare tire carrier off of your Jeep Wrangler, come down to Lowe's in the hardware aisle. It's getting hard to find. You got these nylon hole plugs. I don't remember what size they are off the top of my head, but I did this on my Jeep and it works great to fill the spare holes that are left behind in the tailgate. All different sizes. I do remember though, once I plugged it in, it was a little bit loose. Focus. So I ended up having to take an O-ring and put it around the diameter there, and it holds it tight in the back end of the Jeep. It doesn't rattle, doesn't do anything. And you can see how much they are. They're like $1.50, $2, whatever. So you're gonna need a couple different sizes, but just a quick tip. So what I'm talking about right here on your tailgate. So I got rid of the factory spare tire carrier. And then see it's got an O-ring behind now and it was loose. So that tightened that one up. And one on the other side too. So it's where your rubber stoppers went, your buffers. So quick tip. Thanks for watching.
Audio Jungle.